Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2024 Honda CR-V key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here on this side you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key, it's time to separate this fob into two pieces like this, and the easiest way to do that is right here facing down with the buttons. Right in this side between these two pieces you need to insert the tip of the flat screwdriver very carefully, just the tip, to not break the plastic here. Twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. And now when you do that, and if this chip falls off like this, don't worry, just take it and place it back in its place over here. And now it's time to remove the battery. Again, it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, whatever you find easier, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, these two pieces, you need to align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you do that, take this mechanical key again, put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.